Okay, I've ditched the chair because my camera points down like this and I don't want to get a different iPad case. I'm filming this on my iPad. I wanted to talk about how I think math shouldn't be gate kept. I didn't do very well in school. I still struggle academically. I'm a little bit of a slow learner. Um, I'm quite a slow learner, actually. Someone's phone is going off. We're going to wait. Stopped immediately. And that's okay, that's okay. It takes me longer to learn things, and I've accepted that, and that's okay. I would much rather have noticed this and then be able to work with it rather than think I'm something that I'm not. And I think that takes a lot of bravery to say, and so therefore I'm patting myself on the back mentally right now. But anyway, math shouldn't be gate kept. I think that if you are struggling with academics or learning just in general, I think you still have to, wake up every morning and just do your best. And if you are truly gifted and learn things really quick, I think you wake up and do your best. And I think that that's what ties us all together, is we all want to do our best and we all want to live a happy and fulfilling life. And I don't think that just because maybe God didn't see it fit that you were blessed with the same amount of intelligence as John von Neumann, that you shouldn't be able to live a happy life. I think that everyone deserves to learn, and everyone deserves to be curious, and I think everyone deserves to have the opportunity to do so. So I'm going to present a textbook. And I know a lot of people are going to scoff because they're not economists, and maybe econ is made fun of quite a bit in the math community. I know we're kind of seen as like the guys that were just smart enough to learn math and then want to show it off all the time, which is true. Okay, I'll explain myself. Mathematics for economics is great. It's fantastic. I cannot praise it enough. It goes over a little bit of everything. You're going to learn your derivative, your partial derivative, your integration. You're going to learn a little bit of multivariate calculus. You're going to learn some lineage. You're going to learn, and you're going to learn it in a practical sense with worked out solutions. There are exercises for the reader, but they're not pretentious. They're not like, it's accessible. It's an accessible textbook. You can pick it up and self-study through the whole thing. And I think that is what makes a textbook good. There's even a student solution manual, which is just, again, it's phenomenal. It really is. I cannot praise this textbook enough. I carry it around with me, although it weighs about 1,000 pounds. And I love it with my whole heart. It was written by people who know how to write. Why I like this textbook a lot, and I love linear algebra done right, and I love Algebra Abstract and Concrete, and I bet I could name some more. All these textbooks have one thing in common, and it's the worked out solutions. It's the step-by-step, it's what you ask your AI to do when you're confused about something, and the textbooks don't hallucinate. They're right. I don't find complex analysis easy, and I don't think most people do. I don't think most people would even find the math in mathematics for economics to be easy. I don't think people find math easy, and I think it's because it's gate kept and it's pretentious, and it's like, at least for the most part, it's pretentious because it's the way it's being communicated, right? And it's a real shame. But anyway, I've picked out some of these textbooks because I feel like they're not pretentious. I feel like they work through solutions, and they give the student the best opportunity possible to learn and succeed no matter who the student is. And when the student is me, I definitely benefit from that extra help. So anyway, I guess I'll end the video off by just saying it does not matter who you are. I wish you the best in your educational prowess. I hope you succeed, and I know you can. Give yourself the time that you need to learn. Give yourself grace when you make mistakes, and pick up textbooks that care about the learner. Pick up textbooks that actually care if you learn or not. And so, read reviews on textbooks. Make sure you're not picking up a textbook where it's clear that the author just wants to prove that they're smarter than you are, because if they really are smart, they're not going to care about that, and all they're going to care about is if you've learned something or not. Don't hate yourself when you get confused. I'm always confused.